Direct replacement. These engine oil drain plug gaskets are made to match the fit and performance of the original equipment components. Restores functionality, built to restore a proper seal. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Great for Subaru. Used this as a crush washer for a Subaru crosstrek with a fumoto oil drain valve. Easy install but difficult to know if it was properly crushed as I didn't have a torque wrench and estimated the lbs. At first there was a slight leak I noticed, after about 2 months. About a quarter turn was all it took to stop the slight leak. No leaks for the past 6 months.